Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss a feature that restricts updating of the previous year's stock when a previous year challan is retrieved in the current financial year. Let's first look at the default behavior, and then we'll explain how to apply this restriction through Logic Admin. A challan already exists from the previous financial year. Let's check the stock report. Here, you can clearly see that the challan for 7 quantity has already been transacted and the closing stock is showing as 3. Now, the stock needs to be transferred to the current financial year by performing the close books process. Once the books are closed, we'll log in to the current fin year. Open the sale bill window and initiate a new sale transaction by retrieving the challan into the bill. Simply go to the Retrieve Challan option and search for the challan created in the previous year. After completing the retrieval, save the voucher. Next, let's log back into the previous year to check the stock status. Generate the stock report again. As you can see, the closing stock has been updated back to 10, even after the challan was retrieved and transacted in the new financial year. To prevent this automatic update, we need to apply a restriction. To do this, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the Sales Settings to section, tick the checkbox labeled Do not update previous year closing stock in case previous year challan is retrieved in current year. Once this option is enabled, save the settings and restart the software for the changes to take effect. After enabling this option, we will repeat the same process. We have already created a challan for 5 quantity, and the closing stock of the item is now showing as 5. Next, we will log into the current financial year and retrieve the previous year's challan into the new sale transaction. Once the transaction is saved, we will log back into the previous financial year and generate the stock query report to review the results. As you can see, the stock remains unchanged. Due to the enabled option, the previous year's closing stock is not updated.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.